Mothers, babies, seatbelts, and you. Wearing seatbelts is important for all. Small children should use an appropriate car seat when traveling in a vehicle. An appropriate installed car seat will prevent injury to your child. Devices such as isofix mounts make fitting child seats simple and far safer than old-fashionable seatbelt-based mounts.
Honey, put on your seatbelt.
I don't want to. It's so uncomfortable. Most of pregnant women don't wear them anyway.
Okay, look. You know what? I was reading this at the office just now. If you wear it right, that would be good for you.
But
No buts, honey. 4% of motor vehicle accident involve pregnant women, and 1 in 3 women will thrown out of the car during the accident will die.
are you trying to make me feel guilty?
No, honey. Okay, let me show you how it's done.
Always buckle up and buckle it right. This message is brought to you by the Faculty of Medicine and the Faculty of Communication and Media Studies, UITM.